Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Descript AI. So if you can create text, you can create your own video. So you can open descript.com and try to sign in. You can sign up first with your Google account, and this is the dashboard. So you can create a start new project here, for example video project here. So you can upload file first, maybe a picture, this one for example. You have to wait this upload complete. So you can write here. You can start writing a journey. The journey, for example. Done writing. And after that, you can create music, you can add music, you can add media here, or caption, or even the elements on the video, and try to record by yourself here. And even you can publish it here on YouTube, and also you can adjust the resolution here. But the most important in this web is you can create here. You can write as you want here and try to generate. Get back to the home. So feel free to try to use this Descript web. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well as button below. See you in the next video.